Hello everyone, this video is to give you a brief overview of what we are going to do in the project. So first, let me just initialize my pointer here. Yeah, so you can see there are three levels of working. First is this really dumb network which cannot make any decisions for us. So there will be numerous hosts connected to this network switch, which will then transfer all the packets through port mirroring to this monosec server. The monosec server will process all the KDF files here and keep them ready. Now, if the computer here wishes to monitor these KDF files, a network share will allow all the KDF files to be directly reflected onto the monitoring system. As you can see, this stores the KDF files. In addition to storing KDF files, this computer also performs packet processing. For example, giving the categorization of the SIP packet or recording the MAC IDs. So the main purpose of the monitoring system will be one, generate the JSON format, and two, generate process the packets. That's part of the monitoring system. If we go back, once the JSON files have been generated and packet processing has been performed on the KDF files using this monitoring system, the results will be passed to a web server, which will typically be running on Node and a Sigma.js combination. As Chirag told me, I think as far as I know that Node will be used to run the web server and Sigma will generate the graph, which will be visible to these intelligence analysts looking only at this web server, the web server here. So the graph will be visible to them. Now the graph will be, just 1 minute, the graph will be of the firm on the web. For example, this blue entity has called this red entity using some category 3, for example. So this graph is seen by the intelligence analyst. If he clicks on this edge here, if he thinks that the conversation is worth listening to, then he clicks on this edge here. On clicking this edge, a request is sent to this monitoring system, which then checks its KDF files for any RTP files which may have been transferred between the two IPs or MAC IDs, then recreates that RTP file based on a timestamp. Ideally, it should also decode it to the protocol which was given in RTP. In this case, this will be the PCMA protocol, encoding scheme. And once the PCMA audio data has been decoded, we give it in an audio file and send it back to the requesting analyst. So basically, access to Monosec is restricted because this monitoring system holds the key to the kingdom. So I hope I was able to make a few things clear here. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Thank you so much for watching.